Now, am I a professional air conditioner service tech installer guru? No, not really. I'm just an average Joe figuring all this stuff out on my own, and I've done this before on about maybe 7 or 8 air conditioners so far, and everybody asked me, oh, is that gonna affect the balance of the blade? No, it's not gonna affect that, not that I know of. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the tip off like a sharp tooth size off the tip of this. Okay, about that much. You see there? There. Let's get you up there like that. And you know, I could cut maybe just a hair less than that, but I found that this works for me. Now I got a flat bit on the blade, so now I take my I just have some tin snips here, and I'm going to cut that bottom of the blade to the tip of that and hang on to that with my hand there. And now I've just got a nice tip there again. Okay, I'm going to go to the next blade, snip that off, take this, and I just hold my thumb there to catch that. Okay, there's only five blades here, so okay. Hopefully my head's not in your way. Like that. You see, that's going to keep that if the water ever builds up. And trust me, it only takes a year or so or less for the water to start building up. You get a little bit of algae skin down there, and it's just enough to prevent the water from going out of our drain over here. Okay. I got one more blade to do. Just double check and make sure you're getting all the way up to the tip. Okay. Shark tooth size, a miniature, a small shark. Okay. See, don't those look like shark teeth? Okay. We're in Hawaii, so it's a shark tooth. If we were somewhere else, it'd be something else. Okay, so now I've just raised the blade up off the bottom at least 3/8 to 1/2 inch. Okay, and I've cut that back. That is not going to affect anything. Now, am I going to do anything else? If you will recall, I said modifications. That means I've got another one up my sleeve. Keep watching and you'll find out what it is. Hey, well, that's all I got for this time. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you on the next video.